Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm excited to share my journey of how I made my first $1,000 in dividends. If you're interested in investing and want to know how you can do it too, keep watching. So to start off, what are dividends? Dividends are payments made by a corporation to its shareholders, usually as a distribution of profits. Basically, it's how companies reward you for being an investor. When I began my investment journey, I focused on finding established companies that had a history of paying dividends consistently. Companies like Coca-Cola, Procter & Gamble, and Johnson Johnson were at the top of my list. Here are the steps I took to reach my first $1,000 in dividends. Bullet point 1. Research and select quality stocks. I spent hours researching different companies, analyzing their financial health, and looking at their dividend history. Bullet point 2. Invest regularly. I started investing small amounts regularly. I believe in dollar cost averaging, which helps reduce the impact of volatility. Bullet point 3. Reinvest dividends. Instead of cashing out my dividends, I reinvested them back into purchasing more shares of the stocks I owned. This strategy helped me compound my gains over time. It took some time, but eventually my investments started to pay off. I received my first $1,000 in dividends after about 3 years, and it felt amazing. For anyone starting out, my advice is to be patient and stay consistent. Investments may not pay off right away, but with time and the right approach, you can achieve your financial goals. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more content on personal finance and investing. Share your dividend journey in the comments below. Thanks for watching.